Today, I'm going to show you how to make an upload schedule that blows your channel up in 2020. Hey guys, what's up? It's Malawi and welcome back to another video. You guys probably know what the theme of the video is about because you saw the title and the thumbnail, but I assure you, if you watch the video all the way through and follow all the steps that I show you, your channel will blow up in 2020, and if not in 2020, then 2021. If there even is a 2021. I mean, please don't tell anybody I said that. Okay, so first thing, find out the best time for you to post each day. You can do that by posting one video each day for a week, each at different times, and then you see which one gets the most views the fastest. Next, find out what day your viewers watch you most, and you can do that by again doing the 7-day test. Now after you're done with that, you want to go into like some editing software or just on a pad of paper. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, remember to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. That would really mean a lot to me. Thank you. Back to the video. So as I was saying, you go to a photo editor and you just make like a graph or something like that, or you could just use a pad of paper and hang it up on your wall. And that's all the tips that I have to cover in my video. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you like this video, remember to drop a like and subscribe. Also, turn on post notifications. It would really mean a lot to me. Also, comment down below if you would like me to try to do live channel audits. I would really enjoy doing those, and you guys would probably enjoy it too. So just remember to like this video and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.